At Sherwood Exclusive Lara Resort on the 6th floor, this is the room we stayed at. Each person will get a key card, and this will give you access to your room, and by slotting in the key card will turn on all the electrics, so make sure you keep your card safe. In the wardrobes you will find robes, clothes hangers, a safe deposit box for any valuables, slippers and plenty of storage space. Bathroom was nice and clean. Soap, shower gel, shampoo and a vanity kit were given. Water was okay to wash and to rinse your mouth. You can use bottled water if you're skeptical on the cleanliness, but I always recommend you use a mouthwash too. Nice and soft face towels and bath towels. And they got a hairdryer. And yes, it's one of the luxury toilets that washes your backside too. I really don't understand this. In your room you can help yourself for some tea or coffee, which is packed with drinks for the day. There's an aircon, LCD screen TV and all that spacious room. Now this is the room that they gave just for the two of us, from a balcony that has a beautiful atmosphere from sunrise to sunset. Across is the Royal Wings Resort, which was closed during this winter season. Now on the TV they have a variety of channels, mainly on daily news. Only a few channels were in English, so basically just a mixture of different channels with different languages. Unfortunately there was no Sky Sports. There's also an information channel about the resort too. Well, in the end, I guess I did find something to watch. At reception, you will be handed a timetable of food places you can eat at, and numbers to call reception if you have any questions. Room service such as cleaning your bathroom, bedroom floors and making your bed will be carried out every morning. That's if you want to, by keeping the green light on. And yes, there's a minibar service every morning too, just to make sure you're topped up. Plugging in your 3-pin UK plugs to a 2-pin socket, you will need this adapter. Make sure you have a fast charging mobile adapter. Regarding Wi-Fi, you will need to enter a few details before you can access it, as it carries a good connection throughout the resort. Now you can take along with you a vacuum bag, just in case, to give you that extra space in your luggage. You can put a request at reception for the iron, but it may take a while for you to get it. That's why it's best to take your own travel iron. Going on holiday for a honeymoon, anniversary or a birthday, then let your travel agency or guest relations know in what they can do for you. Overall guys, I was totally satisfied with my room. Temperature was nice and warm while inside. Good internet connection with a lovely scenery. You won't be spending much time in your room, so it's best to go out and explore.